Hey, good morning. What's up? This is Neil. Happy Sunday. I'm doing this so that you don't have to do it. All right? So, I've been using this for so many years now, and I use it to add some waterproofing on my electronics. It works really well, but it is a dirt magnet. Okay? And looks like I missed some parts few days ago because I ruined this. All right. When I say I ruined it, is because I landed after I smashed a tree. This landed in snow, and a lot of snow got inside, and it actually affected this part of ESC. Yeah, and not just that, but also the flight controller. So yesterday, right, in my other video, I did some roll, which I used to always do, and then suddenly eat the sink. And when I brought it inside, I tried to see if there's something wrong with the flight controller. And yeah, something was wrong. I was able to get into the console, but eventually it actually affected my computer. It was so weird that it made my computer sluggish. I could not even move the mouse. After removing it, then my computer regained conscience. And then I noticed this was so hot. This was very hot. And then every time I connect it, it would actually freeze my desktop operating system. Yeah, my computer. So what I had to do, I yank out the Vista as well as the ELRS. This is the one that actually the drone I used from my last flight. Yeah, the one with the title on YouTube. It's what's that? Flying a damaged ESC is dangerous. Yeah, that's the one I use. I love this drone a lot, so um, I'll have to buy a brand new flight controller and ESC. Yeah, this is CL Racing F4S from 2000, 2020. This one is like maybe 2 years old only. Yeah, crap. So, um, again, that's the one I'm using, and it's a dirt magnet. Okay, it works really well, but you have to make sure that you apply or spray it properly. But unfortunately, like what I said, I didn't apply enough. And anyways, so here it is. Look at the Vista. That's an aquarium sealant that I applied in 2022 maybe. It's still there. I haven't removed it yet, and it's really strong. Well, anyways, since I don't want to use the Corrosion X anymore, I applied it everywhere last night. Yeah, I applied it on the flight controller, both up and underneath, as well as on the ESC and every connector. Yeah. And what else? Where did oh, I also applied it on the ELRS both ends. And yeah, what else? On also on every wire there, I tried my best to apply it. Okay. Also place it on the capacitor. Yeah. And then later I'm gonna put some adhesive here. Yeah, the glue gun, the glue stick, and then yeah, that's what I've always done. I just glue it there on top of the Vista, and I don't have any issues with that. I've been doing that for years. Yeah. And what else? Oh, this one as well. Put I put aquarium sealant too. Yeah, that's why it's kind of like translucent, right? And then that connector is like the behind the Vista. That's also a an aquarium sealant that's been there for like 3 years now. This one though, that's a from glue gun, so that way I can easily replace it with the polycarbonate protection. Yeah, that's my hack. You can do it, guys. It's nice. It protects my, it's gonna protect your camera, and I've been doing that for years. And yeah, it can, it'll get, it'll get scratched after so many crashes. It's still usable. Sometimes I just get annoyed. You'll see some what's that, specks. Yeah, especially when the sun is in front of you. It works quite well, and I placed this around like maybe 1 1 a.m. Yeah, last night. So it's been like 7 hours now. So total curing time is usually like 24 hours, but touch dry time, yeah, it's dry and it's thin. So maybe that curing time that they're saying is actually for like thick ones, maybe 1/8 inch thick. Yeah. Yeah, let's do some tests. We're gonna power it. Hopefully nothing goes wrong. I'm gonna use my smoke stopper just to make sure we don't hurt it. Yeah, this one smoke stopper that I bought in 2020. Yeah, so that's how you do it, guys. Every time you test something, make sure you use your smoke stopper. Don't always tell yourself, oh, I'm the best guy, I won't cause any issue. So yeah, do that. You know what, electronic parts are expensive, and quite, guys, I'm so really annoyed of the prices now. This, I got it for like $39 back then. Now I look at the price, it's like $79. Fuck, that's crazy. Just for the flight controller, $79. Oh my god, that's too much, guys. They're ripping us off. So yeah, I'm gonna look for, yeah, this one is broken. I hate it. So I broke two things. Yeah, this is the same flight controller. Yeah, like that. It's CL Racing F4S. And yeah, all right, guys. I'm gonna grab the battery. Give me 1 second. All right, guys. Battery is now connected. So that's my RC Hackers. It's cheap. It's $16 for a 1300 mAh 6S LiPo. And then yeah, hopefully it's really dry. Hopefully nothing goes wrong. So, and usually when something is wrong, like shorting, this would turn it off right away. The smoke stopper will turn it off right away. Alright, guys, this is where you power it. Yeah, there's a button there. Yeah, alright, let's do it. Cool, let's see. Nice, works well. Cool, nice. Works real well, guys. Let's turn it off. Did I turn it off? No, it didn't turn off. Oh, there you go. It turned off. I just didn't press it hard enough. All right, works really well. So I'm gonna go out later at the park. I want to make sure the sealant, the aquarium sealant on the gyro will not cause any weird or introduce some weird noise which will cause the flight controller to think, hey, I need to fix myself, I'm shaking. So it's gonna send some, yeah, you know what I'm talking about. So it's gonna control, and maybe a flyaway can happen. I hope that doesn't happen. So yeah, we'll try it later. So that way, if let's say it does a flyaway, I can always disarm, and it's gonna land on the park, and not here near my property. or anyone's property here. It's dangerous, like what you saw yesterday, right? So yeah, we'll do some tests later, maybe about maybe 2 3 p.m. and yeah, we'll see one more time. Let's do it. Cool. Alrighty, works really well. Alrighty, guys. Hope you enjoy this. Again, this is the aquarium sealant that I bought like 2021 at PetSmart. It's $6, guys. I don't know. Maybe it was on sale. I don't know. $6 or $3, something like that. Maybe it was on sale. And yeah, that Corrosion X works well, but it's a dirt magnet. Okay. Oh, one more tip. So inside the connector, the GST connector between the flight controller and ESC, I sprayed Corrosion X, cleaned up outside so that the aquarium sealant will how do you call this, will stick to it. So that means the pins inside the GST connector is actually protected by Corrosion X. Ingenious, right? Alrighty, guys, later.